I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you look at that little bitty cloud, yeah, shut up. If you see that little bitty cloud off in the distance, I wish I had zoom on this GoPro, but I can see it. Well, it was giving us the finger. Yeah. What are the odds of that? So we're back here at the house. They were able to get this fixed and fixed down there so they get on square. We've replaced these two seals, plates, and started on these and getting these screwed on, and I got another one to screw on down here. All right, I gotta get in this thing. This thing is temperamental. It doesn't run too well. She's old. See, she's temperamental. Yeah, she's temperamental. You gotta let her warm up. She's old. She's bogged down on you real bad. This is gonna be fun going down this hill too. Yeah, I got probably a good incline back there. This is gonna be fun. Haven't done this in years. Oh, this has got me nervous. I don't want to roll this thing down this hill. I haven't done this in years. Looks like when you break up a dog fight. That's a nice day out today. It's only gonna be in the 60s, mid 60s. It's been hot, and the past couple of days have been nice and cool. Okay, we're getting measurements for these anchor bolts. And 146. So, yep. So what we're doing is we're getting a length where we put these holes and we put these nuts and bolts on. We drill it out and then put the seal plates on, or base plates. And right here we hold at this chalk line at 5.5, get the center of the bolt. 2 5/8, 2 13/16, 2 3/4. And then we put this foam down as a buffer, and then we drill it down. thought I gave you the right measurements. Oh yeah, I was telling you 2 when it was 1.
Yeah. So
My bad.
Yep. The funny thing is, here you are videoing it. You're being saying 2 while the camera's showing 1. People are online and be like, what the hell is he thinking? What's he reading?
Yeah, I already know what the title of this video is going to be.
Ricky Construction Worker.
Oh, that's a nice day. It's been hot. And today it's nice. Not getting sunburnt, not getting sun drunk. You guys know what sun drunk is. You know what sun drunk is?
What?
You know what sun drunk is?
What?
Where you've been out in the sun so long, it just makes you feel like, ugh. Sweet, getting her built up. Now we're gonna level it off because they poured this concrete wall short. I'm gonna step it up and level it off. Cool. Yeah, it's coming together finally. Oh, it's a nice day. Finally. Beat the heat today. I'm actually in jeans today. Feels good. Yeah. GoPro. Make it my rain.
I know. Really thought I followed that.
I taught a putty cat.
What?
What you need now, boss? Hey, yo, I'm sensitive, you know? Hey, yo.
Like a little baby fawn. Oh, what was that?
Uh-huh.
The joist wasn't going to be right there.
Okay.
So that's why I measured the toilet for the shower. That way they had room for the plumbing. So
Okay.
Basically, if the toilet was going to land right here for the plumbing to go down, we were going to move this one side or the other.
Okay.
So that's what I was checking.
So we're not going to be in the way
We're good
nowhere?
on all cylinders. So we'll
All
keep,
cylinders.
So we'll keep the layout and just keep going.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it would suck to fall in one of those holes. Those are deep. Yep. Couple of few buckets full. go from cutting this stuff to hauling it. How's that happen? I said I wanted a career change. I don't know how that happens. Watch out for that big hole. Matt almost fell in one.
You're making me look like a fool.
You hitting concrete? I am. See if you can pull it out. Yeah, I'm hitting concrete.
Yeah, we're both going down.
Okay. I'm still hitting concrete. We're bowing out in the middle. Here, let's just set it on the wall.
Push it towards me. A little more. A little bit.
I guess we're done for the day. We got quite a bit done. Most of the sill plates are on. Some eye joists in the... Yep, it's cleanup time. Got a little warmer there towards the end. Yeah.
All right.
My in this love. Yeah, it's coming together. Finally getting started on it. And the good thing is, they got all the backfill in, so we're not having to climb over these concrete walls.